Faithful and Blessed Jewelry is marketed as a faith-inspired jewelry store offering pieces designed around Christian themes, including necklaces, bracelets, rings, and gifts. The designs can be meaningful and the branding appealing, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, faith-based jewelry can be a meaningful way to express your beliefs or give someone a personal gift. But attractive designs don't necessarily tell you everything about the quality or value of the jewelry. What it does well. Meaningful designs. The jewelry is designed around Christian symbols and messages, making it appealing for personal use or gifts. Wide range of styles. You may find necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, and other accessories where the hype falls apart. Check the materials carefully. A piece that looks like gold or silver may actually be plated or made from another metal. Always check the exact material description. Photos can make jewelry look more premium. Product photography can exaggerate the size, shine, and overall appearance of smaller pieces. Durability can vary. Plated finishes may wear over time, particularly with frequent exposure to water, sweat, or chemicals. So, should you buy from Faithful and Blessed Jewelry? Short answer, maybe if you like the designs and understand what you're getting. If you're buying because the piece has personal meaning, it could be a worthwhile purchase. But don't judge the value based purely on the photographs or the message behind the jewelry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.